everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you for joining us. To my returning subscribers, thank you for joining us. If you are still here and you have not subscribed to my channel, come on, subscribe is free. So today I will be showing you guys how I make my healthy smoothie. It's really good for both adults and kids. All right guys, let me show you how I do it without no wasting time. Here I have my almond milk, and I have this is optional though, but I have coconut water. This is coconut water. All right, and this one is frozen banana. I froze it last night, and I have frozen avocado. So here I have kiwi. It's also frozen, so I just have to take out the black, and like I was doing to this one before, so I'll take it out and blend everything together. So I just finished with the kiwi, and I put everything together, banana, avocado and kiwi. So I'm going to add honey to it. This honey. Okay. So the next is going to be almond milk. All right, so I'm going to add everything to it. I mean, all of it. Then I add the coconut water to it. So I will be adding handful of spinach. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it because everything is here. So just finish blending it. So we have 3 of this. So you know what that means? For 3 wise men. So this is it. Oh my gosh, very refreshing. Yeah, so that's it for now, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Hey, thank you for watching.